Statute 605.0502. 1. Subject to Section 605.0503, a transfer in whole or in part of a transferable interest, A, is permissible, B, does not by itself cause a member's dissociation or a dissolution and winding up of the limited liability company's activities and affairs, and C, does not entitle the transferee to 1. Participate in the management or conduct of the company's activities and affairs, or 2. Except as otherwise provided in subsection 3, have access to records or other information concerning the company's activities and affairs. 2. A transferee has the right to receive, in accordance with the transfer, distributions to which the transferor would otherwise be entitled. 3. In a dissolution and winding up of a limited liability company, a transferee is entitled to an account of the company's transactions only from the date of dissolution. 4. A transferable interest may be evidenced by a certificate of the interest issued by the limited liability company in a record, and, subject to this section, the interest represented by the certificate may be transferred by a transfer of the certificate. 5. A limited liability company need not give effect to a transferee's rights under this section until the company knows or has notice of the transfer. 6. A transfer of a transferable interest in violation of a restriction on transfer contained in the operating agreement is ineffective as to a person who has knowledge or notice of the restriction at the time of transfer. 7. Except as otherwise provided in Section 605.0602. 5b. If a member transfers a transferable interest, the transferor retains the rights of a member other than the transferable interest transferred and retains all the duties and obligations of a member. 8. If a member transfers a transferable interest to a person who becomes a member with respect to the transferred interest, the transferee is liable for the member's obligations under Sections 605.0403 and 605.0406(3), which are known to the transferee at the time the transferee becomes a member. We offer real estate, estate planning, probate, and business law. Call 321-206-3603 or visit easlerlaw.com to book a consultation. Offices in Melbourne, Florida. Virtual consultations worldwide.